Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we got Avon Footworks. Awesome. And it smell I tried it. It's so soft. It made my feet soft, and I love it because I love to have pretty feet. And then we got the Avon Footworks, which is awesome in itself too. It smells so good. Oh, after a long day of working, you come home after you take a nice long shower and you put this on your feet. Oh, you will feel awesome. Telling you, you feel awesome. So if you want to order those two products from Avon, it's in the description in the bottom, and there's gonna be more from Avon that I review, but one of my favorite one is this one. It's awesome. This one is good too, but this is pretty awesome, like I said. All right guys, see you next time. Bye.